What's up everyone, welcome to another video. This video is the 1000 subscriber special.
Yeah!
The channel has reached 1000 subscribers, thanks to you. So this will be a celebration video.
Woo!
In this video, I'll thank my subscribers, show some behind the scenes about myself, give a quick sneak preview of a couple upcoming how-to and review videos, and I'll wrap it up with a fun 3D printing project to celebrate 1000 subscribers.
Oh yeah!
So let's get started. First, I would like to thank my subscribers. Subscribing to this channel is what has and what will keep it alive. The purpose of this channel is to provide helpful, quality information to help people out. Your support has confirmed that building this channel is worthwhile, and your subscription is humbling and greatly appreciated. Reaching 1000 subscribers is an exciting event,
Yeah!
so thank you very much for subscribing. Next is some behind the scenes of the host, me. I have received multiple comments saying that I'm mysterious and asking what I do for a living. I post a variety of videos, so that's a fair point. So, am I some random guy with an awesome shirt? Well, among other things, I have a Bachelor's of Science in Engineering, mechanical emphasis, and have you covered with material properties, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, and all of that great stuff. I have worked as a mechanical engineer for the last 11 years, designing complex machines, utilizing servos, pneumatics, hydraulics, gears, sprockets, sensors, and so on. Unfortunately, I can't show the actual machines, because my work is proprietary. I was also a certified personal trainer. Although I do not currently train anyone, I have nutrition and exercise covered. I suppose that another credential is that I served in the United States Army. I've been around the world and I've done the things. I will stay away from weapons on this channel due to YouTube policies. But this experience provided plenty of expertise in other areas as well. I've done engine rebuilds and engine swaps, woodwork, plumbing, wiring, soldering, welding, and so on. I fix whatever needs to be fixed and build whatever needs to be built. So hopefully I'm no longer mysterious. There's definitely much more, but to make a long story short, I've done a few things, and I felt like I had something worthwhile to offer to others. So I launched this channel, dedicated to how-to and review videos, to provide helpful quality information. Now let's take a sneak peek at a couple videos that are on the shortlist for the near future. The inexpensive versus the expensive Quikrete crack sealer. Last fall I applied the inexpensive sealer to half of my driveway, and the expensive sealer to the other half. They have been through the winter, and I will review how they have held up. After several months of regular use, I will finally do a review on the Fitness Reality Power Cage. I plan to do an update on the Fitness Gear 300 pound weight set as well. I posted an unboxing review video a few months ago. I also have several Jeep videos planned. First up is the conversion from factory lat belts to retractable shoulder belts on my 1980 CJ5. I have much more in store, but I do not want to preview too much. At one video per week, which is a challenging pace to keep, it will take me a month just to get through these. Also, be assured that there are plenty of videos to come in the future. I have a long list of how-to and review videos to make, and I also have a backlog of video footage for several completed projects. Now, let's do something fun to celebrate 1000 subscribers.
Yeah!
I'll be 3D printing a little celebratory piece, while adhering to the rule of 1000.
1000 subs!
First, I dropped an image of the how-to and reviews logo into a 2D sketch. Then, I traced the outline. The shape is random. There's nothing special about it. Next, I extruded the sketch to give it some depth. Very impressive. Then I added some text to complete the how-to and reviews logo. Definitely impressive. And I added a 1K subs to make it special for this video. That's just too impressive. Next up is extruding the text. Let's give it some color to make it look like the logo, just for fun. But the color will not be carried over when it is printed. Now, I'll save it off and send it to the printer. Now comes the rule of 1000. I will size this accordingly so it takes 1000 seconds to print, which is 16 minutes and 40 seconds. And here's a time lapse of the entire print, reduced to about 15 seconds just for you. I think it'll be huge. 16 minutes is not a lot of time to print anything significant. It'll be small and flimsy. Yeah, that's what I thought. But it's just for fun. And here it is, a special 1000 subs logo. that took 1,000 seconds to print. So that wraps up this video. I hope you found it entertaining, and I hope I provided some additional confidence in me being your how-to and reviews video provider. Thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. 1,000 subscriber special! This wasn't very exciting. I should have added some music.